back to my YouTube channel. You might be chasing the wrong leads. If you're a business person, you're selling anything online, either physical product or digital product. You might probably having difficulties to get leads or tracking people to buy what you're selling. You might be trying to do everything you know to tell someone to buy your product, probably tell them to sign up for your email list. This is where you are making mistakes. You must know these four type of leads before you can even win them for your goods, for your services, or for your products. Basically, I'll be talking about four type of leads in this video, and I'll give you step by step and how you can win them for yourself or for your business. So you must watch this video to the end and make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Number one lead is cold lead. You can also call them prospects. Cold lead is someone who hasn't been to your website before or have a contact list with you in the past but has shown interest in your product or services. Because they probably have not met you before, they don't know what you're selling, they don't know anything about your product. They just get in touch with your demographic and they want to patronize you. They are called cold leads. The second one is warm leads. Warm leads, it's someone who has demonstrated basic interest in your brand. This means they have liked you on Facebook, Instagram, on any social media handle, or probably they have subscribed to your email list. These are warm leads because they already know you, like you, and know what you're doing. So the third one is qualified leads. Qualified leads are someone who has demonstrated basic interest in your product or services. Qualified lead are the one that demonstrate a loyalty to your brand. Qualified lead are someone who you actually come back for your product or services. Maybe probably you said something to them in the past. Qualified lead are the one that refer you to their friends, to their family. Okay, they are the one that will keep coming back. They are qualified lead. You don't need to win them again. But you see the number one, which is the cold leads and warm leads, are the one you need to work so much on. Qualified lead also demonstrated that they are ready to buy from you. They might have requests, or maybe they had something to their cart, but they haven't purchased. These are qualified leads. All you have to do is work on them, try to know what they want, try to know how you can sort them out. I'll make a video on how you can tackle a customer's or client's objection. If you want me to make a video on that, let me know in the comment section. If you are my top fan, let me know in the comment section, signifying that, write in the comment section that you are my top fan. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to this channel and note it in the comment section that I have subscribed. Like this video, share it and comment. The last one is the customer. Customers are someone who has bought something from you or your services in the past. Your job as a marketer or a business owner is to ensure you know how to retain them to come back for your products over and over again. So if you are looking forward to my next video on how to tackle objections, how to tackle your client or business objection, let me know in the comment section. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, watch this video, comment and share it to your friends, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.